Hey guys, it's Mrs. Anglade, and here I am going to help you with your homework. P is for pieces, or it may be something that you're doing in class, but for my students, I assign this for homework. So we want to be able to model the procedure on how we are going to rename these fractions. So it says Mr. Brady has 2 cups of sugar and his neighbor borrows 3/4 of it. How much sugar remains in his pantry? So for a model, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw bar models. And these 2 bars are going to represent my 2 cups of sugar. Now I have to take away 3/4 from these 2 holes. So that's where I'm going to start off my procedure. The problem is I only have 2 holes right now, and I need to take away 3/4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hole and I'm going to exchange it, and I am going to cut it up into fourths. So over here, what did I exchange? I exchanged 1 hole for 4/4. So what's another way that we can write 2 holes? We can write it as 1 hole and 4/4. And then now I can take away 3/4 from that. How do I show that with models? I'm going to circle 3 of those fourths, and I'm going to draw an arrow to show that it's being taken away. So how much do I have left? I have 1 1/4 left, or if I do over here, I'm going to take 3/4 away from 4/4, leaving 1 1/4 cups. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the music problem so that you can get a little bit more comfortable with how this works. Kobe's MP3 player holds 1 1/6 hours of music. He has already uploaded 5/6 hours onto the MP3 player. What part of an hour remains? Okay, so how am I going to draw this model? I'm going to start with my bar of 1, and then this bar is only going to have 1/6 shaded. So let's see if I can do 6 parts, and I only have 1 of those parts shaded. So I'm starting with 1 1/6. And from that, I want to take away 5/6. Well, the problem is right now is I only have 1/6 to take away. So what am I going to have to do? I'm going to have to take this 1 whole and break this up into 6 as well. So let's do that. What did we exchange? We exchanged our 1 whole for how many did we cut it up into? We cut it up into 6/6. Okay? So what's another name for this? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/6 that I'm going to take away 5/6 from. Okay, does that make sense? 1 1/6 renames to 7/6. So I can take away 5/6 now. How do I show that? I show it by circling 5 of those pieces and taking them away. I could also put an X through them. That's another way that they could show it on the model. And we're going to say what we're left with is 2/6. And of course, we wouldn't leave 2/6 because we can simplify that to 1/3. So my answer is, let's go back. What part of an hour remains? 1/3 of an hour is my answer to this one. So that gets you started. So rewatch this video if you need to kind of see what it is that we're going to do. But that's what I want you to do on tonight's homework. I want you to draw the model, and I want you to kind of write out the procedure over here and show me what it is that you exchange for that 1 whole. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Talk to you later.